Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at 5 of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas. The original Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit is a premium DIY 3D printer designed for hobbyists and professionals who enjoy building their printer and want reliable, high-quality prints. Developed by Prusa Research, this kit offers a fun and educational assembly experience, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced makers. One of the standout features is its automatic calibration system, which simplifies the setup process and ensures optimal printing results without constant manual adjustments. It includes a removable spring steel print sheet, making part removal easy and minimizing the risk of damage to prints or the printer bed. The 4 Malawian Kwachas supports a generous build volume of 9.84 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, 250 by 210 by 220 millimeters, allowing users to produce sizable prototypes, models, or parts. It comes with a filament sample, so users can begin printing shortly after assembly is complete. Additionally, the printer uses open-source firmware and hardware, giving users full control and the ability to upgrade or modify components. Designed with robust construction, the 4 Malawian Kwachas includes quality components like linear bearings, precision rods, and a powerful extruder, ensuring durability and accurate prints. Its silent operation and reliable print quality make it one of the most praised DIY kits in the market. In summary, the Prusa 4 Malawian Kwachas 3D printer kit blends hands-on learning with cutting-edge features like auto-calibration and removable sheets. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a rewarding DIY project that results in a professional-grade printer with outstanding print reliability and performance. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is a high-performance, budget-friendly DIY 3D printer that combines ease of use with powerful features, making it ideal for beginners and hobbyists alike. It boasts a maximum printing speed of 250 mm per second, enabling faster model creation without compromising on quality. One of its key features is the CR Touch auto-leveling system, which automatically adjusts the print bed for accurate first layers, eliminating the hassle of manual leveling. It also features a Sprite direct drive extruder, known for precise filament feeding, making it suitable for printing with flexible and standard filaments. With a build volume of 8.66 by 8.66 by 9.84 inches, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters, the Ender-3 V3 provides ample space for printing a variety of models, from detailed miniatures to functional parts. The dual Z-axis and Y-axis linear shafts contribute to improved stability and print precision, especially on taller models. Another convenient feature is its auto-filament loading and unloading, making filament changes quick and user-friendly. The modular design and straightforward assembly process make it beginner-friendly while offering room for upgrades for advanced users. Overall, the Creality Ender-3 V3 stands out as a well-rounded, fast, and reliable 3D printer that balances performance, print quality, and user experience. It's an excellent entry point for newcomers looking to explore 3D printing or for experienced users wanting a dependable secondary printer. Number 3. AnkerMake M5C 3D Printer. The AnkerMake M5C 3D printer is a modern, high-speed 3D printer designed for users who want a balance of speed, quality, and ease of use. It features an impressive 500 mm per second maximum printing speed, drastically reducing project time while maintaining print precision. Its all-metal hot end supports temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, allowing compatibility with a wide range of filaments, including PLA, PTG, TPU, ABS, and more advanced materials. With a print volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm, the M5C provides enough space for most personal, educational, and small business projects. The printer includes 7x7 auto bed leveling, ensuring a consistently level print surface for optimal first layer adhesion and fewer print failures. A key highlight of the AnkerMake M5C is its multi-device control, allowing users to manage and monitor prints via smartphone, tablet, or PC, making it intuitive and user-friendly. Its streamlined design omits a traditional touchscreen interface, focusing instead on smart app and software control, which makes operations simple for beginners and efficient for advanced users. The robust build and smooth mechanics contribute to print stability, while the quick setup process means users can get started right away. Ideal for those who value speed, smart control, and hassle-free printing, the M5C is a standout option in its category. In summary, the AnkerMake M5C is a high-speed, app-controlled 3D printer with premium features like a high-temp all-metal hot end, advanced auto-leveling, and strong build quality, perfect for creators looking for modern functionality and reliable performance. Number 4. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D printer is a compact yet powerful FDM printer designed for users who want high-speed, precise, and hassle-free printing in a small footprint. It supports multicolor 3D printing, allowing creators to produce vibrant, complex models with varied color schemes, enhancing creativity without needing multiple printers or complicated setups. One of its key benefits is its quick setup time, under 20 minutes, making it ideal for beginners and professionals who want to start printing quickly. The printer features full auto calibration and active flow rate compensation, ensuring optimal print quality by automatically adjusting extrusion rates and leveling the print bed, minimizing failed prints and manual interventions. The A1 Mini operates quietly, producing noise levels of 48 dB or less, making it suitable for home, office, or classroom environments where low noise is important. Despite its small size, it delivers high-precision prints with consistent accuracy and smooth surface finishes. This printer also boasts a user-friendly experience with simple controls and reliable connectivity options, streamlining the entire printing process. Its compact design fits well on desks or in tight spaces, while still maintaining respectable build volume capabilities for everyday printing tasks. In summary, the Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a fast, quiet, and precise 3D printer that supports multicolor printing and automates key steps like calibration and flow control. Its easy setup and silent operation make it a strong choice for users looking for convenience, quality, and versatility in a compact machine. Number 5. MakerBot Replicator Plus. The MakerBot Replicator Plus Desktop 3D Printer Kit is a user-friendly and reliable 3D printing solution designed for home, educational, and professional environments. This kit features the swappable Smart Extruder Plus, enabling easy replacement and maintenance, which helps minimize downtime and ensures consistent, high-quality prints. It is optimized for fast PLA material printing, making it a great choice for users looking to quickly create durable prototypes, models, and parts. The printer comes factory-leveled with a flex build plate, which simplifies print removal and enhances adhesion during printing. This build plate flexibility reduces the risk of damaging prints when detaching them, improving the overall user experience. The build volume measures 11.6 by 7.6 by 6.5 inches, 295 by 193 by 165 millimeters, providing sufficient space to print moderately sized objects for various applications. Designed with educational and creative settings in mind, the Replicator Plus offers a straightforward setup and reliable operation, helping users focus on design and production without frequent technical interruptions. It supports MakerBot's ecosystem, including intuitive software and cloud-based management tools that facilitate print preparation, monitoring, and sharing. Overall, the MakerBot Replicator Plus is a versatile desktop 3D printer kit that balances ease of use with performance. Its smart extruder technology, quick PLA printing, and flexible build plate make it an excellent choice for schools, makerspaces, and home users seeking a dependable, high-quality printer for everyday projects.